everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. So today I'm here with this Kroger Ad couponing matchup for the upcoming sale that will run from August the 29th through September the 4th of 2018. So yeah, I do apologize. I usually do videos on the weekends. I do the new printables and I do the Kroger Ad Preview. Part of it is not my fault. I was unable to get the coupon printing to work this weekend, so I didn't do the video about the new printables. I couldn't get my link to work, so I couldn't do that. But Kroger Ad Preview, I didn't end up posting it. Was a very, very busy weekend. We were celebrating my dad's birthday this weekend, so we were out of town on Sunday. And Saturday was just very busy. I had a lot going on. Some family came over to our house, so instead of doing the video, I ended up seeing them. So yeah, and I just started school back up, so I had quite a few assignments all weekend, so I really didn't have a whole lot of time to talk about couponing. I do apologize I didn't get this video up earlier, but I guess it's better late than never. So yeah, I am back with the ad preview. So, if you haven't currently seen my other Kroger videos, all about the current deals going on at Kroger right now, click the little eye in the top right corner. All these deals are still going on right now. They're going to go on next week as well. So, nothing's really changing. We're just actually adding in some new sales. So, we are adding in a 4-day digital coupon sale, as well as we have a one BOGO deal, but we're adding that in as well. Seriously have a lot going on at Kroger to talk about. It's crazy. I can't believe how many deals they still have overlapping each other. But like I said, I always go really in depth in my Kroger videos because I don't put most of the items in this ad that we have coupons for. So yeah, check out the other Kroger videos. So yeah, let's just dive right into these deals. Front page of the ad, we have $1.88 a pound for fresh Tyson natural boneless chicken breast. $2.88 for a 2 pound of strawberries or 1 pound of organic strawberries, $6.99 a pound for fresh Atlantic salmon fillets, and $5.99 a pound for some bone-in ribeye steaks. I take that back. I thought there was one BOGO deal. There's actually another one I didn't even see. We have buy one get one free on Dole or Eat Smart salad kits. $1.99 for Kroger Deluxe ice cream. 4 for $12 on Pepsi, 7-Up, or Coca-Cola. That's not bad. We used to get it cheaper. So the other thing I want to mention is check your local grocery stores for deals on pop. In my area at least, the local grocery stores a lot of times during Labor Day will have them better than Kroger. Now Kroger sometimes has them cheaper than this, but yeah, during Labor Day, typically some stores in my area will have them as low as 4 for $10 or 4 for $11. So check that out. Don't ever discount. I love Kroger and everything. They do a lot of awesome deals, but don't ever discount your local grocery stores either, because sometimes they might have some deals that you can match up with coupons. 3 for $5 on Kroger cheese, $17.99 for Bud, Miller, or Coors 24-pack of beer. Lay's family size chips or Lay's kettle chips, $1.49 when you buy 3. Now the best deal's on the kettle chips. We have at my Kroger, I found buy 2 get 1 free Peely coupons right on the product. So that already makes it $2.98 for 3 or 99 cents each. Is a great price. However, go right now to Ibotta and unlock. It's not clip. That's savings. Starts as clip. Unlock the 95-cent on 2 rebate. Now, on my Ibotta, it said it expired on the 28th of August. But after I unlocked it, it gave me till September the 8th. So, yeah, that's awesome. As long as it sticks around. You're about 95 cents for buying 2. So ends up making your final price $2.03 for 3 bags of Lay's kettle chips, which is an insane deal. Now we're going to talk about the mega events. These prices are all reflected after you buy 5 participating items. You get $5 off instantly. So the Kraft salad dressing and the ballpark buns, 99 cents. If I have any Southeast Ohio or some West Virginia people, go to Respect's grocery store. They had a bunch of Peely coupons for buy 2 Kraft salad dressing, get 1 free. So after that coupon, that'd be an amazing deal. If you can't find that Peely, you could. There's a digital coupon for buy 2 Kraft salad dressing, get a free thing of Kroger croutons. So that's another one to get. Someone told me that. I apologize. I don't remember your name. Let me look that up real quick. I want to give credit to whoever told me that. But we also have the Minute Maid juice or the Kool-Aid jammers for 89 cents. And we have the Milano cookies, $1.99. And then we have Cheez-Its, $1.99. And we got a 70-cent off at Sue coupon in the 826 Retail Me Not. And the one who told me about the croutons, that is Zoo Go Mugo. Mugo. I don't know. I always mispronounce your name. You told me last time what I said wrong, and I can't remember. But thank you so much for letting me know about that. So you can get some free croutons at Kroger. All right, so here we go. This is where Kroger's kind of making me mad a little bit, but the Starbucks and Maxwell House Coffee, $5.99. They raised it up. It was $4.99 on the mega event. Now they're making it $5.99. Same thing with the Edie's ice cream. It's now $2.99 on the mega event. So if you want to get these items, go out and get them now while they're still $1 less. Then we have the International Delight and Silk Milk, $1.99. If you haven't already, sign up for the International Delight email list, and you'll get $1 off printable coupon for that. So 99 cents. So we also have the Ore-Ida fries, $1.99 on the mega event. I've seen Catalina coupons for these, so if you have, you can get a good deal for that. Post or Nature's Path cereal, they're raising the price on this as well. Now it's going to be $1.99. We have the Ritz and Nabisco, $1.79. We got $1 on 2 coupon, or I'm sorry, 75-cent on 2 coupon in the what insert? 819 Smart Source. Oscar Mayer hot dogs, they're staying at 99 cents, so that's good. Sargento cheese and Nature's Own bread, $1.99. For the cheese, we got 40-cent on 2 coupon in the 826 Smart Source. So I would take off a whole 20 cents. That's so great. I'm being sarcastic, but 20 cents off to be $1.79. Gatorade and Lipton tea, $4.99. Smithfield bacon, $3.99. Fresh baked soft top cookies are $2.99, and then the Fresh Foods market fried baked or barbecue baked chicken is $5.99. All right, so we have Dave's Killer organic bread, $3.99. We have the Cheerios, Kicks, and all that stuff, $2.49. Ben & Jerry's ice cream and Talenti gelato, $3.49, and Magnum. Bird's Eye veggies, $1.99. Hefty slider bags or Betty Crocker fruit snacks variety pack, $2.99. Goldfish, 99 cents, and then the Tide and Tide Pods, $4.99. We got $2 off coupons for those in the P&G yesterday, so $2.99. I think that's crazy after we just got all those for free, but whatever. Marie Calendar and Edwards Pies, $5.49. Little Debbie snack cakes or Velveeta breakfast biscuits, $2.49. Solo plates, cups, or bowls, $1.99. Hershey's miniatures, $2.49. Crest mouthwash, Oral-B toothbrush, or Crest toothpaste, $1.99. We got $1 coupon in yesterday's paper. And same with the Pantene, it's $2.99. We got coupons for it in the P&G, $5 off 3. And there's even a buy one get one free, so that'd be good as well. And then we have Libman Angle Broom with dustpan or the Wonder Mop for $6.99, and then Kroger HomeSense. My other clip just started overlapping with this. That's why you heard that weird echo. So anyways, we have the HomeSense food storage containers for 99 cents. These little midpoint checkpoint things in the ad previews now as well, because this is a really long ad preview. If you're still here at this point, let me know in the comments, because growing up, I never knew this had a different name, but now I realize that it has like 3 different names. So what do you call Coke or any kind of thing like that? I guess they call it soft drink. I don't know. I've grown up my whole life calling it pop, but then since I started watching YouTube videos, a lot of people call it soda, and I've even heard there's other names for it as well. So whatever you call it, let me know in the comments. I know there's gonna be some other people who there's gotta be some other people who call it pop too, because I always say that in my videos. And then I just want to make sure there's someone out there who knows what I'm talking about. I hope there's not ever been anyone out there who's heard me say that and not know what I'm talking about. I don't know. That's really interesting. I know there's different, depending on the state you live in, there's different names for things. Like what seems so accustomed to me where I'm at, if you go over to the West Coast or something, or even the East Coast, because we're Midwest, but it's like people call it completely different things. So let me know in the comments what you call it, and that'd be interesting. I always like hearing what other people have, like what their names are for stuff like that. So yeah, now we're gonna talk about the 4-day 5x digital coupon sale. These are same as usual. You can use them up to 5 times in a single transaction. You must load the digital coupon to get this price, and once you redeem it once, you can't get it back again. So we have 99-cent Quaker cereal or Quaker Chewy bars. There's a $1 coupon from the $8.19 Retail Me Nots and make those 49 cents, which is a really good deal. If your store isn't ridiculous and follows what corporate says, you'll have no problem stacking this. But there are some stores who don't get it. So even 99 cents is a great deal for it. Even if you don't want to mess with stacking the coupons or whatever, totally fine. 99 cents is a great deal. I'll probably even pick up some. I really like Captain Crunch and Cinnamon Life. And we have Frank's Red Hot and French's Mustard for 99 cents. All right, I'm sorry about the glare. The rest of it's not like this. We have Tyson Chicken, $3.99. Ballpark Beef Franks for $1.99. Also have the pudding cakes, $3.99. Who's going to need 5 pudding cakes? No idea, but I guess if you do, there you go. And then this is a good one. This is an unlimited use coupon. Says you save an extra 20% from today's prices on home merchandise. So that's really good. If something's already on sale, 50% off, this coupon will take an additional 20% off of that. So you get a really good price after you use that coupon. Okay, so we're getting on the home stretch of this ad. There's actually still quite a bit more to go over, though, in all honesty. But we have $2.99 for the whole seedless watermelon, 10 for 10 for some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. $2.99 for Johnsonville smoked sausage, 4 for 5 for some Kroger sour cream, cottage cheese and dips, 3 for 5 for Bush's beans, and 69 cents when you buy 10 Gatorade, Propel, or G2. They're pushing this cookout stuff because it's like getting to the last of that season, so they're pushing for that. Okay, so $2.49 for Nabisco snack crackers, not good at all. $2.99 for Hellmann's mayonnaise, Kraft Miracle Whip, or Heinz ketchup. We got that coupon yesterday for a free Hellmann's ketchup when you bought the mayonnaise. So that'd be a pretty good deal, I guess. Buy 2, get 1 free of the handy foil pans. $5.99 for Kingsford charcoal. And over that 4-day sale, you can get an extra 20% off. So that'd be even better. 3 for 10 for Ice Mountain water. Buy Honey Maids and Hershey's and get a free thing of Kraft marshmallows. And then down there is just a bunch of alcohol deals. All right, so 10 for 10 for Suddenly salad and the Kroger buns, 3 for 10 for some Red Baron pizzas, 3 for 5 for Noosa yogurt, $9.99 for some HomeSense cups and paper towels and toilet paper, and buy 1 get 1 free on Hebrew National or Nathan's hot dogs. That's a pretty good deal for those. Right, $1.99 for Eggo waffles, 2 for 4 for Kraft or some Kroger brand cheese, $7.99 for Curly's barbecue ribs, and then 20% off of the Good Cook Pro Kitchen gadgets. That 20% off coupon over the 4-day sale should apply to those as well. Even going to try reading all of it. Just a bunch of medicine deals, Claritin, some Kroger brand stuff, Tums. We got $1.50 coupons for those. Osteo Biflex, buy 1 get 1 free. We always have coupons for those. Then that $13.99 Flonase, there was a $4 coupon in the $8.19 Retail Me Not. And then buy 1 get 1 free on Nature's Bounty vitamins, and we always have coupons for those. I'm gonna read it. Just more liquor deals. They're really pushing that this week, but lots and lots of alcohol deals this week. This is like horrible quality. I don't know what happened again, but we have the 2 for $7 for some Johnsonville sausage, $3.49 for some the 3-pack of peppers, the multicolored peppers, $1.99 for some mayonnaise, and then $1.99 for some Simple Truth. I think that's jelly. I don't know. It's a very small jar of whatever it is. All right, finally, we are at the back page, and there are some produce deals. $3.99 for a 3-pound bag of seedless mandarins, 2 for $7 for some Stonyfield yogurt. We always usually have coupons for those. 4 for $5 on the Santa Cruz organic lemonade, 99 cents for organic mangoes, 2 for $3 for whole cantaloupes or seedless or personal watermelons. Personal watermelons. $1.49 a pound for grapes, $2.99 for a 4-count of corn. That's not good. Actually, I've not seen Kroger run any good sales on corn all summer, which is weird. They usually always have sales on corn on the cob. 99 cents a pound for green beans. Everyone's always jealous of this deal because a lot of you say you don't ever see this. $1.99 a pound for the fresh ground beef. $1.88 for kettle chips, 2 for $3 for the Bay beverage or tea, $5.99 for Laura's lean ground beef, and we always have coupons for those on their website. If you sign up, they'll send you coupons. That'd be really good. $5.99 for the Old Neighborhood shaved steak. $2.49 a pound for fresh Heritage Farm chicken wings. $5.99 for tilapia or catfish fillets. $5 for a 20 count of shrimp. Buy one get one free Kroger boneless chicken breast or tenders. $4.99 a pound for the fresh Simple Truth natural boneless chicken breast. And then this week's Free Friday is a free Petos bag snacks. Never heard of those, but it has a picture of a tiger on it. I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but I've never heard of those. So yeah, we get to try them for free. Oh, and 4x fuel points on gift cards. That's always a really good sale. So yeah, that is it. There's a lot of Kroger. Again, there's a lot in that ad. And there'll be even more unadvertised deals that I'll go out and find on Wednesday and post a video about, like I always do. So be sure to come back on Wednesday for that. Check out my other videos if you haven't already. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.